Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix when you can't find a game or app on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you bought something through the PlayStation Store and you cannot find it on your PlayStation, I'm going to go and show you how to do that. Now, the first thing you want to double check is you're logging into the correct account. So you can see my main account has a PlayStation Plus symbol next to it, and I share PlayStation Plus with every other account on my PlayStation. So I'm going to select my main account and then log in. Then I'm going to go all the way to the right to the game library. And at the top, you can see the installed games on my console storage. Then if I use my D-pad and go to the right one and go to my collection, you can see I have 422 games under here. So I can simply just find the game under here and then try downloading it through this menu. And you do have like a sort by option over here. You can go A to Z or purchase date, new to old. So let's go to new to old. And the most recently downloaded game will display at the top. Also, you do have hidden items. If you accidentally hid something, it will show up under here. So I have like games that no longer exist, like Lawbreakers on here. Now let's back out of here, then go up to the top and go on over to settings. Then go on down to users and accounts and go to other. And make sure you have console sharing and offline play enabled. So mine says disabled. You can try disabling it and then re-enabling it. Maybe there's an issue with your account and it's not sharing it with other profiles on your PlayStation. Then we can go to restore licenses. And this says, if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Just try simply restoring it. This should only take about 2 or 3 minutes. Go ahead and do. Now let's back out of here and go to the main settings menu and go back into users and accounts. And then go to the right and go to payment and subscriptions. And under here, we want to check our transaction history. Review your transaction history. So this will show you everything you've ever bought or downloaded, even if it was free. Then simply choose an account and pick a start date and an end date. So let's choose an end date of today and then choose a start date of something like 3 or 4 months ago and go to continue. And this is everything I've ever downloaded. So you can see the most recent thing I downloaded was Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order, which was the PlayStation Plus game of the month. Then I have Fallout 76. So if you did purchase something on your PlayStation, it will show up here and you will be able to see it. Now, last thing is if you cannot find it anywhere else and it's on your transaction history, you can try simply searching for the game under here. So let's just type in Fallen Order or something like that and just see if that game pops up under here, and it should. And I can select the game now and it says it's in my library and I can download it through the search option here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.